Gangster Lawrence Bishnoi has claimed responsibility for the killing of terrorist Sukhdev Singh in Canada's Winnipeg City, according to a post by his gang on Facebook. In the post, Lawrence Bishnoi's gang said that Sukhdev Singh, also known as Sukha Dunuke, had played a major role in the killings of gangsters Gullal Brar and Vicky Midkhera. The murders were planned by Sukhdev Singh even when he was staying abroad, the gang alleged. Many media reports are comparing Sukhdev Singh's death to the killing of terrorist Hardeep Singh Najjar, who was also gunned down in a similar fashion in Surrey in June. Notably, Singh was on the most wanted list of India's National Investigation Agency. Calling Sukhdev Singh a drug addict, Lawrence Bishnoi's gang said that he destroyed the lives of many people and that he was ultimately punished for his sins. Sukhdev Singh, a member of Davinder Bambiha, also got Sandeep Nangal Ambia, another gangster, killed, the gang claimed. It gave a stern warning to their enemies, saying they would not be able to live in peace, even if they hide in India or any other country. Lawrence Bishnoi is currently behind bars in Ahmedabad in a drug smuggling case investigated by the National Investigation Agency. He is also an accused in the Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala murder case. Meanwhile, Punjab police today initiated a crackdown against gangster Goldie Brar with a series of raids spanning various locations across the state. This operation, led by multiple police teams and high-ranking officials, commenced at 7 p.m. Goldie Brar is the prime suspect in the murder of singer Sidhu Moosewala, who was fatally shot in Mansa district on May 29th of the previous year. Brar, also known as Satinderjeet Singh, originally hails from Sri Muktar Sahib in Punjab and migrated to Canada in 2017 on a student visa. He is a prominent member of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. According to sources, Sukha fled from India to Canada in 2017 on the basis of fake documents. There are more than 10 cases registered against him in Punjab. Singh is among the 43 listed gangsters who have been involved in anti-India terrorism, according to the NIA. These gangsters left India on either Indian passports or through fake forged travel documents or through the Nepal route in the past. Sukhdev Singh's killing came amid growing diplomatic tensions between India and Canada over the killing of another Khalistani terrorist, Hardeep Singh Najjar, in Surrey, British Columbia. Najjar, who was wanted in India, was gunned down outside the Gurdwara in June. India today suspended visa services for Canadian nationals amid the ongoing diplomatic row.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.